Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic seagull flying. Herring gulls are one of the most familiar gull of the east coast and many people just call them seagull. The seagull are expert flyers having mastered control of winds and thermals, sharp directional changes, climbs and dives. Gull's older name is Mews. They live near water as well as Iceland. The scientific name of the seagull family is Laridae. The seagull can drink both fresh water and salt water. A specialized gland right above the eye can collect and then flush out the salt right through nostril. The seagull is considered to be most intelligent bird in the world. Seagull have a small claw halfway up the lower leg that allows them to roost on high ledges without falling off. The majority of seagull can be found near coastal habitats all over the world, particularly in the northern hemisphere. Most seagulls build their nest in hollow depression on the ground and sometimes clips out of the vegetation, feather, rope, and even plastics. Seagulls are fairly easy to identify from their big bulky bodies, sine legs, long wings, and stout bills, which end in a hook. Their bodies are normally covered in white, grey, and sometimes even black plumage, but the color of the head can vary by species. Seagull can measure anywhere between 11 to 30 inches from head to tail depending on the species. Seagulls have excellent vision, better than human vision in fact, and they are one of the few birds with eyes that can move in their socket. Seagulls communicate through several distinct calls to demonstrate aggression, identify mating partners, warn the colonies of threat, and resolve the traditional dispute. Most seagulls travel at a speed between 20 and 40 miles per hour. Most species of gulls do migrate south for the winter. Some journey takes place over just few miles to search for a better foraging opportunities, while other birds complete long migration over thousands of miles. A woman feeding flying seagulls. The seagull eats a wide range of different fruits. Seagull diet consists of fish, insects, earthworms, mollusks, rodents, fruit and seeds, small reptiles, and amphibians, and even other birds and their eggs. The seagull will take an easy meal by stealing food from other animals or humans. The seagull reproductive season usually occur in the early springtime after returning to the same site from the annual migration. Most gulls breed once a year and have a predictable breeding seasons lasting for 3 to 5 months. The seagull, after mating, the female lays a clutch of up to 3 eggs per year. The parents will take turn incubating the egg for about a month while the other parents hunt for the food. The parents will continue feeding the baby chicks until they have obtained their full flight feathers a month or two after hatching. Year of maturity: large gulls 4 years, medium gulls 3 years, and small gulls 2 years. Many species can live up to 30 years old. The oldest documented specimen was 49 years old white-headed gull. Herring gulls has an estimated population of some 2,46,000 breeding pairs. There are 3 sizes of gulls: large, medium, and small. Large sizes of gull are western gull, lesser black-backed gull, glaucous winged gull, Pacific gull, Caspian gull, herring gull. Yellow-footed gull, slotty-backed gull, and Vega or East Siberian gull. Medium sizes of gulls are ring-billed gull, California gull, Iceland gull. Relict or Central Asian gull, common gull or a sea mew, laughing gull. Small sizes of gulls are Bonaparte's gull, Franklin gull, brown-headed gull, little gull. Sabani or fork-tailed gull, black-headed gull, grey-headed gull, white-eyed gull, rose gull, and ivory gull. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you like the contents of the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.